Hello everyone. I jumped on here because I wanted to invite you to an open collaboration. Now this collaboration is called the Spring Door Wreath Collaboration. Now it is hosted by my wonderful YouTube sister Vandessa at Vandessa J. Now she contacted me and asked me would I join in with her and co-hosting this collaboration. And of course, you know I said yes because Vandessa, that's one of my girls. You know, I really like her style. Now also there is a second co-host and her name is Melena and she's at All Things Home on a Budget. Now the girl has skills. She does her lives, her DIYs, and her home decor. So I think you enjoy her channel as well. So now Vandessa only required two things out of us for this collaboration. The first thing she asked that we include flowers in our door wreath. The second thing is you can't spend over $20. Yes, I said it, $20. Be it you shop at Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, any of those stores to get your items for the wreath. But you cannot spend over $20. This is going to be interesting. Now this collaboration, the date will be March the 22nd and the time is 4 p.m. Eastern Standard. And she wants us to use the hashtag SpringDoorWreath2025. Now I hope I see you there because I'm excited about it. I have my wreath already ready. If you're going to join in on this collaboration, down in the comments, write the word Wreath 2025. That way we can look for you to add you to the playlist. Now, I'm looking forward to seeing you, and I'll see you on the 22nd. Bye-bye.